Hey everyone, if you're trying to upload videos, images, or audio files to InVideo and keep getting upload errors, failed uploads, or files that won't process, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common InVideo upload problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since InVideo uploads media files to cloud-based servers, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and cause errors. Next, try uploading the file again. Temporary network glitches can sometimes cause a single upload attempt to fail even though everything else is working correctly. Another common fix is verifying that your file format is supported. Make sure your video, image, or audio file uses a format that InVideo accepts. You should also check the file size. Very large files may take longer to upload or may exceed platform limits depending on your account and project settings. If you're uploading a video, confirm that the file is not corrupted. Try playing it on your device first to make sure it opens and works correctly. Another helpful step is renaming the file. Avoid special characters, symbols, or extremely long file names, as they can occasionally cause upload issues. And that's how to fix InVideo upload errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, verifying file formats, updating your browser, and clearing cache will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.